Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into 10 crucial truths about your first year of university. These are the things I wish someone had told me before I stepped foot on campus. The stuff nobody spills, the unspoken realities of freshman life. Forget the glossy brochures, the perfectly staged photos, and the generic advice they hand out during orientation. We're talking about the real, messy, sometimes bewildering reality of navigating university life. The all-nighters, the questionable cafeteria food, and the existential crises at 3 a.m. So if you're about to start uni, are already knee-deep in the chaos, or are just feeling a little lost in the shuffle, then this video is definitely for you. Think of this as your older sibling, the one who's been there and done that, giving you the honest lowdown, no sugarcoating involved. We'll unpack the good, the triumphs, the friendships forged in fire, the bad, the setbacks, the moments you question every single life choice you've ever made. And of course, the weird, because let's face it, university is a breeding ground for the bizarre and unexpected. So you can go in with your eyes wide open, armed with the knowledge you need to not just survive, but thrive. So grab a snack, find a comfy spot, maybe even brew a cup of coffee, and let's get real about what university is like. Let's get into it, shall we? First truth, you'll probably feel lost, emotionally, mentally, and physically. Everyone feels like a confused speck in a giant universe, even if they look put together. Feeling lost means you're growing. It's uncomfortable, but it's how you level up. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Directions, advice, whatever. People want to help. Find an anchor spot on campus where you can breathe and regroup. Embrace the lostness. It means you're becoming someone new. Let's talk friends. Arriving at university, it's easy to feel the pressure to find your squad instantly. You see groups forming around you, and it feels like everyone else is connecting effortlessly. But that picture-perfect image is often a myth. Real, lasting friendships take time to develop. Think years of shared experiences, not just a few days of orientation. These bonds are built on trust, mutual respect, and a genuine connection that can't be rushed. Start small. Don't aim for a best friend right away. Instead, focus on making small connections. Talk to the person next to you in class. A simple, "Hi, how's it going?" can be the start of something meaningful. Join a club or organization that genuinely interests you. This is a fantastic way to meet people who share your passions and values. It provides a natural setting for conversations and shared activities. Strike up a chat in the laundry room or the common area. These everyday spaces offer opportunities for casual conversations that can blossom into friendships. Remember, everyone's hoping someone will talk to them, especially in those first few weeks. So be brave, take the initiative, and introduce yourself. You might be surprised at how receptive people are. The best friendships often grow slowly and organically, through shared experiences, late-night study sessions, and the development of inside jokes that only you and your friends understand. Don't compare your social life to what you see on Instagram or other social media platforms. People usually only post the highlights, not the everyday realities of building relationships. Trust that your people are out there, waiting to connect with you. Be open to new experiences and new connections, and have faith that you'll find your tribe. Remember, building meaningful friendships is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, be yourself, and enjoy the journey. Professors aren't there to chase you for homework or remind you about deadlines. You get a syllabus, read it, and you're expected to manage yourself. But most professors are passionate and willing to help if you reach out. Go to office hours, ask questions, show interest. They appreciate it. Don't be intimidated, they're experts, not rule enforcers. Building a connection can open doors and make your studies way more interesting. As you embark on your university journey, remember that your mental health is just as important as your academic success. It will be tested in first year as you navigate new challenges and adapt to a demanding environment. Feeling overwhelmed or stressed is totally normal. University is high pressure and everyone struggles sometimes. Don't let the pressure get to you. Remember that it's okay to not be okay, and it's crucial to acknowledge your feelings. Seek support if you need it. Counseling services are available on campus to help you navigate any difficulties you may be facing. Talk to your friends, connect with your family, reach out to anyone you trust. Don't bottle it up, you're not a burden for needing help. Sharing your struggles can make a world of difference. Rest is essential, not a luxury. Prioritize getting enough sleep to recharge your mind and body. Schedule downtime like you schedule study time. Treat relaxation as a non-negotiable appointment in your calendar. Take naps, go for walks, or simply do nothing for an hour if you need to. Allow yourself to unwind and de-stress. Protecting your peace is key to surviving and thriving in university and beyond. You're not alone in this journey. Remember to prioritize your well-being and seek support when you need it. University freedom is wild. No curfews, pizza for breakfast, all-nighters. But too much freedom can get chaotic fast. Missed classes, bad diets, messy rooms. With freedom comes responsibility. Balance is everything. Routine isn't boring, it's your secret weapon. Set study times, sleep, eat a vegetable. Self-discipline makes freedom more fun and less stressful. Have fun, make memories, but keep your life on track. It's all about finding your sweet spot. Money disappears fast at university. Textbooks, food, nights out, even laundry. Suddenly you're broke and living on instant noodles. Track your spending, even if it's just in your notes app. Use student discounts everywhere. Your ID is magic. Learn to cook a few cheap meals, look for part-time work, sell stuff you don't need. Being resourceful is a survival skill. Managing money on a tight budget is tough, but it'll help you for life. Stretch every dollar and get creative. You'll probably question your major, and maybe your whole life plan. You picked it young, but now things feel different. That's normal. Doubt isn't failure, it's growth. University is about discovering what fits you. If you're unsure, talk to advisors, older students, or professors in other fields. Explore, research, and don't be afraid to pivot. Changing your mind is allowed and often smart. Every detour teaches you something valuable. This is your journey. Make it work for you. Group projects. Everyone dreads them, but they're unavoidable. It's less about the work, more about managing personalities and patience. Set clear roles and deadlines from the start. Use shared docs so everyone's on track. Don't be afraid to follow up if someone's slacking. The real lesson is learning to collaborate and resolve conflicts. These skills matter way beyond university. And always save your work. Trust me. University learning isn't just in lectures or textbooks. Clubs, sports, volunteering, and part-time jobs teach you teamwork, leadership, and real-world skills. Late-night talks, new friendships, and living independently are huge learning moments. Step outside your comfort zone. Say yes to new experiences. Don't just stick to your dorm and the library. The best lessons often happen outside the classroom. Be open, try new things, and meet new people. That's where the magic is. You will change in your first year, and that's a good thing. You'll gain new opinions, interests, and confidence, even if it's wobbly at first. Change can be scary, but it means you're growing. It's okay to outgrow old versions of yourself, or even old friendships. Embrace the transformation. University is about becoming more you. Try new things, explore new sides of yourself. The person you become is proof of everything you've learned and overcome. Be proud of that. So those are the 10 truths about your first year of university. It's a lot, and feeling nervous is normal. University isn't about being perfect. It's about learning, growing, and discovering your resilience. Be kind to yourself and remember, you've got this. Take it one day at a time, ask for help, and embrace the chaos. We're all cheering you on. Now go out there and make it amazing. Don't forget to subscribe for more and share with a friend who needs to hear these truths.